How to improve your SEO results with WordPress. WordPress has several features built in that will help your website rank well in the search engines, but the default settings are not as optimized as they could be. In this article, we're going to look at several things you can do to improve your WordPress SEO. The first thing you should do after installing WordPress is to change the permalink setting. This is the structure that WordPress will use for the links to your pages and posts in WordPress. By default, the permalinks will be something like yourdomain.com/?p equals 123, where 123 is the ID of the page or post. There are two issues with this type of permalink. First, while the search engines have vastly improved in how they handle these type of links, you can still run into problems with them not getting indexed as quickly as they should. And second, these type of links don't include any keywords in the URL to help improve your SEO. Instead, you're better off to change the permalinks so that they use the title of your post as part of the URL. You make this change on the Settings and then Permalinks page in the WordPress admin dashboard. Change the permalink to something like what's shown here. That will use the post ID, so you're sure you won't run into duplicate post names, which is more likely than you might think as time passes and you add more and more posts, and the post name, which will make the URL more visitor-friendly as well as getting your keywords into it. The next thing you should do is to install an SEO plugin such as All-in-One SEO or install a theme that includes this functionality by default. This will improve several meta tags in your site's source code by optimizing the title tag, meta keywords, and description tags, and so on. The data can either be pulled from the posts themselves or you can enter them manually for each post you write. Finally, be careful that you don't create duplicate content on your own site by creating multiple URLs that all show the same thing. For example, let's say you link to the monthly archives from your navigation menu. If you display the full content of each post on those archive pages, it will create a duplicate content problem because the archives are on a different URL than the original post, but the content is identical. Always display snippets on those type of pages, leaving the full content for only the main post page. This will avoid the duplicate content issues.